Welcome to this tutorial on the XMLkv command in Splunk SPL. The XMLkv command is a powerful tool for XML key value extraction that automatically processes XML data and creates separate fields from key value pairs. This command simplifies working with XML formatted data by extracting meaningful information and making it searchable within Splunk. The two main features we'll explore are its ability to extract key value pairs from XML elements and its automatic field creation capability, which saves significant time when analyzing XML logs or data feeds. The XMLkv command has an extremely simple syntax structure. To use this command, you simply pipe your search results to XMLkv. The basic format is your search query followed by a pipe symbol, and then XMLkv. That's it, no additional parameters are required for basic functionality. This simplicity makes XMLkv one of the most straightforward commands in Splunk's SPL toolkit. The command automatically detects XML structure in your data and begins the extraction process without any complex configuration needed. Let's look at a typical XML data structure that XMLkv can process. Here we have a user element containing several child elements. The XML structure includes a name element with the value John Doe, an age element containing 30, a city element with New York, and a status element showing active. This represents a common XML format you might encounter in web services, configuration files, or data exports. Each of these nested elements contains key value information that XMLkv can automatically extract and convert into searchable Splunk fields. Now let's see XMLkv in action with a practical example. Our SPL query starts with index equals data source type equals XML to select our XML data source, followed by a pipe and the XMLkv command. When this query executes, XMLkv processes the XML structure and creates individual fields for each XML element. The result is that we now have separate, searchable fields named name, age, city, and status. Each field contains the corresponding value from the XML elements, making the data much easier to search, filter, and analyze within Splunk. The field creation process demonstrates how XMLkv transforms XML elements into Splunk fields. Each XML element becomes a separate field with its corresponding value. The name field contains John Doe, the age field holds 30, the city field stores New York, and the status field contains active. This automatic mapping eliminates the need for complex regular expressions or manual field extraction. Once these fields are created, you can use them in searches, create visualizations, set up alerts, and perform statistical analysis just like any other Splunk field. XMLkv becomes even more powerful when combined with other SPL commands in a processing pipeline. In this advanced example, we start with our data selection, apply XMLkv to extract the XML fields, then use the search command to filter for records where status equals active, and finally use the table command to display only the name and city fields. This demonstrates the importance of pipeline processing order. We extract the XML fields first using XMLkv, then apply our filters and formatting. This approach allows for complex data analysis workflows while maintaining clean, readable SPL syntax. Following best practices ensures optimal performance and results with XMLkv. The key recommendation is to use XMLkv early in your search pipeline, immediately after selecting your data source. This allows you to extract fields before applying any filters or transformations, making subsequent operations more efficient. On the flip side, avoid applying XMLkv to non-XML data sources, as it will not extract meaningful fields and may cause processing overhead. Always verify that your data source contains properly formatted XML before using this command. These practices will help you get the most value from XMLkv while maintaining good search performance. Let's summarize the key takeaways about the XMLkv command. First, remember the simple syntax. Just pipe your search results to XMLkv, with no additional parameters needed for basic functionality. Second, XMLkv provides automatic field extraction from XML data, converting XML elements into searchable Splunk fields without requiring complex configuration or regular expressions. This makes XMLkv an essential tool for anyone working with XML data in Splunk, whether you're analyzing web service logs, configuration files, or data feeds. Thank you for joining this tutorial on the XMLkv command. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.